Hello and welcome back to Aman Codes. In this video, we will be installing Flutter SDK on macOS Big Sur. First, we will go to flutter.dev and click on Get Started. As we are downloading Flutter for macOS, click on macOS. The minimum required disk space is 2.8 GB. If you have an Apple M1 processor, click here. And download the Flutter SDK zip file from here, as I've downloaded it earlier in the downloads folder. Now we'll move the Flutter SDK folder to a different directory of your choice. In this case, we will be moving it into the documents directory with a new folder name called development. Now we'll need to add Flutter to our path. This command will set the path for the current terminal session only. To permanently add Flutter to our path, we'll be updating our path. Now open terminal and see which shell are you using. In most cases, the default shell is Z shell. To check out your shell, you can type echo $shell and you will get to know which shell your Mac is using. Now to update the path permanently, we will type touch.zshrc and open the directory where it has been created by using open dot. As it is a hidden file, press Command Shift dot to view the hidden files. Now open the .zshrc file and edit it by copying this command and pasting the command. Now to update the path of Flutter by clicking on Get Info in the directory you saved Flutter and copying the file path for the bin and pasting it here. Now verify that Flutter is available permanently in a path using which Flutter. Now install XCODE by clicking on the App Store. I have already downloaded XCODE as it is a large file. While it is installing, you can either wait or proceed with installing Android Studio and get back to XCODE later. After successful installation of XCODE, we will now configure XCODE using these two commands. Copy the first command and type in your password here. Now copy the second command and paste it in the terminal. It may take a few minutes to run. Now to deploy our Flutter apps on iOS devices, we will install COCOAPODS from this command. This may take a few minutes depending on the internet speed. Now run Flutter Doctor to see what more we need to install or configure. Once you see this, it means that Flutter is successfully installed. As you can see, only Android toolchain is remaining to be configured. To download Android Studio, click here and download Android Studio for macOS. I've already downloaded it, so now we can open Android Studio. Once Android Studio opens, click on Next. You will select Standard Type and click on Next. Here you can choose the theme of your studio, Light or Dracula. I prefer Dracula, so I select it and click on Next. Here are all the files that will be downloaded. Click on Finish and it will start downloading them. This process will take a few minutes. By the way, all the links will be in the description below. Install Android SDK. Click on More Action, select SDK Manager and make sure Android SDK is selected. Select SDK Tools and download the Android SDK command line tool. Click on Apply and it will start downloading and may take a few minutes. Now go to the plugins and install Flutter and Dart. Restart your Android Studio for the plugins to configure themselves. Now go to terminal, type Flutter Doctor again to get a summary. As you can see, some Android licenses are not accepted. To resolve this, run the following command. Now go and type Y for 7 times and you are done. Run Flutter Doctor once more. And as you can see, you are ready to go. Thank you. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Aman Codes.